Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to check Realme C67 device is original or fake. Checking if your phone is original is important to ensure that you are buying a real product and not a fake or imitation. Original phones usually have a better quality, appropriate features, and reliable after-sales support. Okay, and then the way to check it is: first thing first, open please the dialing application on your device. Okay, after that here you can type the following code. Okay, and then here will appear the information about your email number. And you can copy one of them. Well, after that open please Chrome browser on your device. And then you can type email.info. Okay, and then here you can copy paste the email number. And then confirmation captcha here. Okay, after that click check. And then here will below the information about your device if it's original or not fake. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check Realme C67 device is original or fake. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.